Many people suffer from joint pain, cervical spondylosis, frozen shoulder, and lumbar muscle strain. We can use an anti-inflammatory diet to alleviate the symptoms, and even cure these conditions with bone remedy tincture made from pure natural Chinese medicine. Anti-inflammatory foods are those that have been well studied to reduce inflammation in the body. They are the items that nutritionists and doctors all suggest we get more of because not only do they reduce inflammation, but they have a lot of other health benefits. An anti-inflammatory diet can help reduce joint pain and arthritis, keeping other autoimmune conditions such as diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, and multiple sclerosis in check. Anti-inflammatory foods are also beneficial if you suffer from anxiety or depression. Knowing how to nourish our body with simple, anti-inflammatory foods is one favorable way of home remedies. These 10 anti-inflammatory foods in this video can reduce inflammation in your body. It's easy to take them in your regular recipes. And you can always use bone remedy tincture matting from pure natural traditional Chinese medicine to cure your joint pain, cervical spondylosis, frozen shoulder, and lumbar muscle strain. Let's jump in. Cabbage, kale, or Malabar spinach. They are rich in sulfur, which is an important building block for bones, joints, cartilage, and connective tissues. They also have other outstanding nutrient profiles and are especially high in vitamins C and K. The antioxidants in them help to reduce swelling and pain. Eating them may even help lower the risk of certain diseases, improve digestion, and combat inflammation. Cabbage, kale, or Malabar spinach are exceptionally healthy food for sure. Bone broth, chicken soup. Collagen and other helpful nutrients found in bone broth or chicken soup have been scientifically shown to improve osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Bone broth is a source of gelatin, which may break down into collagen in the body. The compounds present in bone broth or chicken soup help protect the joints from unnecessary stress, and they also help people who already have osteoarthritis. Collagen can improve knee joint symptoms, such as pain, stiffness, and poorer physical function, in people with osteoarthritis. Drinking bone broth or chicken soup is a healthy way to deliver collagen, along with other helpful nutrients to the body. Almonds. Boron is a trace mineral, a vital nutrient helping bones absorb calcium and magnesium to make them stronger and healthier. It is found in almonds. Avocados. Avocados are one of the healthiest foods on earth and are wealthy in potassium. They also contain natural compounds and vitamins which lessen inflammation in the joints. Arthritis patients are generally lacking in potassium. Hence we suggest eating these daily. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, or blackberries est. While all fruits are generally high in antioxidants known as anthocyanins, berries really are the super helper to your health. Because they have so many different chemical compounds that are great at fighting inflammation, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. Not only do berries reduce existing inflammation, but they also help to train us to respond better to episodes of future inflammation. This is why often consuming berries is always a good idea. Garlic. Garlic consumption as a medical treatment has a long history in Chinese, Egyptian, and Roman civilizations. It has been shown to have numerous fantastic health benefits for the body. Experts now understand that sulfur compounds in garlic are the primary cause of its beneficial effects on health. Diallyl disulfide found in garlic is a compound that prevents inflammation. It helps in fighting the pain and cartilage damage from arthritis. Garlic contains allicin. Allicin is a bioactive antibiotic that is believed to be a viable antibiotic replacement. It also assists when used in conjunction with conventional prescribed antibiotics. With so many health benefits of garlic, whether raw or taken as a supplement, you can take the first step to a healthier, better body. Eating raw is better effects. Ginger. Ginger is one of nature's best healing spices. The primary bioactive component in ginger is gingerol. The main benefit of gingerol is its demonstrable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can prevent or fight off a wide variety of infections and threats to the human immune system. It has been strongly studied for fighting arthritis and works well to reduce pain, especially in the knees. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, used in India for thousands of years as both a spice and medicinal herb. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound, one of the best anti-inflammatory spices in nature, and works as a natural painkiller and healer. It helps fight foreign invaders and has a role in repairing damage in your body. Peppermint. Peppermint is a delicious herb, a plant with watermint and spearmint. Research shows it can help reduce pain and inflammation throughout the entire body. You may drink this as tea or take it as an herbal medicine in the form of a capsule. You can rub peppermint oil mixed with a little coconut oil onto the painful joint as well. It helps to soothe the pain with a cooling effect. Joint pain is a common disease. Identifying the root cause of joint pain and using natural remedies to lessen the pain is a safe and effective path. We obtained bone remedy tincture from pure natural traditional Chinese medicine. It treats joint pains and can cure cervical spondylosis, frozen shoulder, and lumbar muscle strain. There are many more anti-inflammatory foods and natural remedies that can benefit you. It's never too late to adopt healthier habits to improve your overall wellness. We hope you enjoyed today's video and give it a thumbs up. Any more, you can ask our medical staff to help, whether you prefer counseling information or therapeutic services. Please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching, liking and subscribing.